You're on Facebook every day, scrolling, liking, and maybe even posting. But what if I told you that all that time could actually make you money? That's right. With over 3 billion active users, Facebook isn't just a platform to connect with friends. It's a massive opportunity to create real income. Whether you're sharing your passions, running a small business, or just looking for a new side hustle, Facebook has tools and strategies that can help you turn your profile into a money-making machine. Curious how it works? But before I tell you this, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss the upcoming money-making videos on my channel. Now, let's dive in and unlock the secrets to earning on Facebook today. Why Facebook is perfect for making money. Here's the deal, Facebook isn't going anywhere. It's the largest social media platform on the planet, with 2.1 billion people logging in every single day. That's a massive audience. And if you're smart about it, you can turn even a small slice of that traffic into serious revenue. Want to know who's dominating Facebook? Men between the ages of 25 and 34 make up nearly 18% of the platform's users. And for all you night owls and early birds out there, the best time to post? It's actually midweek, Wednesday and Thursday, between 11 a.m. and 2 p.m. Why does this matter? Because timing and targeting are everything when it comes to making money online. Now let me help you discover the 7 most powerful methods of making money on Facebook. Number 1, add paid subscriptions. First up, let's talk about paid subscriptions. This is a killer way to create consistent, recurring income while building a close-knit community of superfans. Here's how it works. You offer exclusive content. Think behind-the-scenes footage, live questions and answers, or premium tutorials, and charge your followers a small monthly fee to access it. The beauty of this method is the predictability. Whether you're a content creator, a fitness coach, or even a comedian, subscriptions let you earn every month while rewarding your most loyal fans. To qualify, you'll need a Facebook page set to professional mode. Here's the catch. You need at least 10,000 followers or solid engagement numbers, 50,000 post interactions, or 180,000 watch minutes in the past 60 days. And yes, growing your audience, it's definitely something to aim for. Number 2, partner with brands and creators. Next up, brand partnerships. Whether you're a creator or a business, collaborations are one of the fastest ways to make money on Facebook. If you're a creator, brands will pay you to showcase their products to your audience. Think about it. Your followers trust your recommendations, so your voice carries weight. For businesses, this works the other way around. Partnering with influencers can give your product the exposure it needs. Influencers already have a built-in audience, and their endorsement can boost your sales big time. Facebook makes this easy with its paid partnership tool. You can tag sponsored posts and make sure everything is transparent. The best part? You don't have to wait for brands to come to you. Start by reaching out to companies you already love and use. Number 3, accept Facebook stars. Now let's talk about Facebook stars. This is one of the simplest ways to get paid directly by your audience. Stars are like virtual tips. Viewers can send them to you during live streams, videos, or even text posts. Each star equals 1 cent. So the more engaging your content, the more you can earn. Here's the good news. You don't need a massive following to start earning stars. All you need is to be 18 or older, have at least 500 followers, and have an account that's been active for at least 30 days. It's easy, direct, and perfect for creators who thrive on live interactions. Number 4, use content monetization tools. Have you ever noticed ads playing during videos on Facebook? That's content monetization at work. Facebook allows creators to earn through video ads, reel ads, and even performance bonuses. Here's a pro tip. Keep your ads short, under 15 seconds, and always include a skip option. Why? Because attention spans are short, and you want your audience to stay engaged with your content. You can place ads in creator content to reach wider audiences and drive sales. The key here is creating ads that don't interrupt the viewer's experience. Be subtle but impactful. Number 5, open a Facebook shop. Got products to sell? Then a Facebook shop should be your next move. It's like having your own online store right on your Facebook page. From clothes to gadgets to handmade goods, you can sell almost anything. The best part? Facebook shops are fully customizable. You can organize your products into collections, add banners for promotions, and create compelling product descriptions. If you're already using platforms like Shopify, you can sync your store for a seamless experience. Here's a heads up, Facebook shops work best on mobile devices, so make sure your setup is optimized for small screens. This is where most shoppers are browsing anyway. Number 6, sell on Facebook Marketplace. Maybe you're not ready for a full-blown shop, no problem. Facebook Marketplace is a fantastic way to start selling casually. With over 1 billion users browsing every month, it's like a virtual flea market where you can list anything from furniture to electronics to clothing. The secret to standing out? Write clear, compelling product descriptions and make sure your items are categorized correctly. Bonus points. If you can join local Facebook groups focused on buying and selling, it's a great way to find nearby buyers quickly. Number 7. Run Shops ads. Finally, if you've got a Facebook shop, take it to the next level with Shops ads. These ads are designed to connect your audience directly to your products. You can promote your shop's homepage, specific items, or even curated collections. The best part? Facebook makes it easy to update your ads automatically using your product catalog. That means less manual work for you and more time to focus on your sales. What you need to know about monetization. Before you dive in, there are a few things to keep in mind. Facebook has strict community guidelines. Content that's violent, graphic, or misleading won't just get flagged, it'll also make you ineligible for monetization. So, stay authentic, post original content, and keep it clean. If you're running a page, make sure it's set to professional mode. For marketplace sellers, all you need is to be at least 18 and follow Facebook's terms of service. And there you have it, 7 actionable ways to start making money on Facebook. Whether you're creating exclusive content, collaborating with brands, or selling products, there's a method here for everyone. So, what's your next move? What method are you going to choose for making money on Facebook? Let me know in the comments below. Your next big opportunity could be just one Facebook post away. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, share it with someone who needs a side hustle. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for the upcoming videos on how to make money online. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next.